Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can mark all email as read in your Gmail account. So you want to mark all the email that you've received in your Gmail account as read, but you can't figure out how you can do it. There's a lot of email that you received, there's a lot of unopened email, but you still want to mark all of them as read. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to mark all the email as read in your Gmail account in very easy way. It's a very simple process. Just follow the simple steps I do and you'll do it in no time. So the first thing you want to do in order to mark all the email as read in your Gmail account is open a browser and go to gmail.com. Once you go to gmail.com, make sure you log into the account that you want to mark all the email as read from. If not, go ahead and log into that account. Once you log into that account, you land on an interface like this. Now from this interface, what you want to do in order to mark all the email as read is simply tap on these three dots on the top of your inbox. Once you do that, the only option you'll see will be labeled as mark all as read. So simply tap on that option. Once you tap on that option, all the emails in your Gmail account will be marked as read. So those were the simple steps in order to mark all the email as read in your Gmail account. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video is helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.